So I'm here in Nagaland village, tuensang district. We are in the middle of mountain area, and you can see there is a river going down this side. So I have come here with my team, Nagaland team. See this girl, that boy. We are staying in this village. You call it hut, and we are enjoying here. Here are my friends who have helped me to reach here. These people from Nagaland. See how they, cooking inside. This lady, yeah, very nice people. Very good culture here. They enjoy each and every moment here. And see, we are surrounded by this mountain area. Absolutely beautiful. And I must, request everyone that you should visit this place, Nagaland, because this is beautiful. Again, I want to tell you, like, it's a district is Nagaland, uh, state is Nagaland, and district is tuensang. There is a one place Yangli. So district is tuensang. She is telling us, and yeah, nearby Yangli. If you ask anyone, Yangli. So it's like there is a big church also. Yangli is one of the mission center in Nagaland, in some tribes. Yeah, and Christian communities there. So these people are from there. I requested them. I want to see some nature thing. So they bring me here. Hope you like this video. And if you want to enjoy, then you must visit Nagaland, Tuensang district. For any kind of further query, you can reach out to my YouTube channel, and you can also call me on the same number. I'll share with you guys. So thank you so much. And before that, I just want to say hi everyone. These are my friends. Hello, say hi. YouTube. These are my friend. He's Cap One. He's my friend. This is also my friend. They met me just now. Village people and this lady. We are enjoying in this small, beautiful hut. And here, if you come this place, you see from top to bottom. It's not hard to come here because it's take like 15-20 minutes, but uh, the way is difficult here and there. You may sleep, you may find some animal snacks here. So finally I reached there. Thank you for watching. See you, bye.